All right, this is the part of in tutorials in Microsoft Fabric. So this demo, I'm going to cover Fabric Activator. So this demo will cover like reviewing sample activator and exploring data, exploring rule and starting rule, and creating object, create rules. So I'm going to follow on this one. So before that, so I will create activator using sample data, and actually you could get it from the various sources. All right, so before jumping into demo, I'd like to say what is activator, right? This Microsoft Fabric Activator, it takes action like if any data changes, right? Like it could be in the Power BI reports or any event stream. So based on that, based on the rule defined, it can kick in, it can trigger some action. Like you could click on like Power Automated and do the different process, or you can send email, or you can post to Teams. So we can do several things. So basically it is looking for some events, something like you drop a file in OneLake, or like something in the Power BI dashboard, your sales metrics, anything got changed, or it could be something like from your database, like if there is CDC enable or any event Kafka. So anything changed, it can capture and it can monitor and take action. So this is all about that. And now I'll head into the demo. All right, so I'll go to the Fabric. So let me create a new workspace. Okay, so I'll just name this Data Activator tutorial and make sure it is using my Fabric trial capacity and apply. Okay, so I'm here. So okay, so this is a new workspace. Now I can create new item from here, and actually I can look through it. So get data, different category, store data, prepare data, and track data. So I can see here activator, and always there is, you could type here and you can quickly find out. So this is what I'm starting here. So my activator has created like here. So if we click in get data, like there are actually several sources I can use. So if I click in view all sources, especially right, like any CDC, right, like Cosmos DB, SQL DB, and all like Azure SQL, managed instance, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and like any CDC it can use as a source, right? CDC means like any change data capture. So that means if any table, if you insert data or any data is changed, so it can it will consider as a source. So and activator can monitor and take action based on you define. So and like this list is growing. This list is growing actually, and some of the things like I don't see DB2 here, but like if you able to from DB2 also, like you can, if you can create a CDC and make a source as a Kafka, then it can this activator can use Kafka. So that's other things, and like Azure events, Fabric events, and okay, now I'll head back to actual demo. So instead of, I'll try sample, and it's populating sample data, and the sample data I will use I'll use package delivery events. So I'll look into package delivery events. And let's go to delivery events. So this is the live data, and each package ID is each delivery happening, and I can see here like I can, let's say we want to monitor temperature, right? So let's scroll right. Okay, here's the temperature. And let's look for too hot per medicine rule. Okay, so let's test our rule, and here it's supposed to see in team masses, and the rule is like if the condition, right, this is too hot per medicine, so if the temperature is more than 20, then send masses, right? Package too hot per medicine, this temperature sensitive, so allow threshold. So let me run this. All right, so let's see what happens to team site. All right, so I have open activator in team site. So this is what I have got in the team site. So the package is too hot, so this message as of today, like 6:05, I have got this. Okay, so let me change this to email, and let's see what happens. Save, and okay, save and update, and then send a test action. Let's see what happens now. Let's see what kind of email I will get. So here's the alert I get from activator to my email. So let's see, it's the picture hasn't been loaded. Let's do trust sender. Okay, here you go. All right, so let's go back to Fabric. All right, so all right, let's go and delete this package and create a new package, and this new package will, let's create a new rule like hours in transit. So let's do that, and let's go here and let's delete. I'm deleting this package. All right, it's gone, and I'll create the new one. All right, so I can create a new package from here, new object. So I can choose, okay, like a name, create a new object, and I can select the what I want, right? So let's say select a unique identifier, like unique identifier. Let's select package ID. All right, there you go, package ID, and let's check like a city and hours in transit. And create. All right, so new package is created. Now I will create a rules. So new rules. so let's click on the hours in, and let's click on the pencil. All right, so let's rename this, and let's summarize the average and save, and let's put some threshold condition. So conditions like increase above. So change, so that's average. So increase, let's look at change. Okay, change. All right, so change, actually we're gonna do numeric change, but let's yeah, okay, so I'm gonna choose increase above. It's right here, so I'm gonna put 25, and I'll decrease this to 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna save, and all right, let's see, I will start, and I can do send me text. So okay, this is the threshold, so I can see the 25. So any time like threshold is 25 hours in transit, I will get alert, right? I should get alert. So let's see, let's look into my email if I've got any alert so far. All right, looks like I got some alert, right? Yeah, here is the hours in transit alert has met, so I have got it. So this is how you create alerts, and this is like you can create, and you have different variables, so you can choose however you want. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this workspace, so I'll go back to this workspace and here, and I go to workspace settings. I'll remove this, so I don't want to get unnecessary alert from this, so this will be gone. Okay, thank you.